Good afternoon, my dear sisters and brothers. Just like yesterday, in the gospel, we are being brought back to the Last Supper. And we know that the Last Supper will be a prelude to the crucifixion the following day. And we know that the crucifixion of Jesus Christ will be something tragic and scandalous to many of his disciples. It will bring about fear. That is why in the actual crucifixion on Good Friday, all the disciples except John, the beloved, left the Lord. And that is why we can understand here in the gospel of today, in the context of the Last Supper, Jesus said to his disciples, "Do not let your hearts be troubled." Do not let your hearts be troubled. You have faith in God, have faith also in me. What is the biblical significance of heart? Puso. Sa Biblia, ang puso ay hindi lamang yung physical na organ. Ang puso ay sumasagisag sa lahat ng pagkatao. It's the inner man. The heart is the center of life, the center of emotions, the center of feelings, the center of desire. That's why Jesus said, "Love God with all your heart." Buong buo, buong pagkatao. That is why we have Sacred Heart of Jesus. We have the Immaculate Heart of Mary. We don't have Sacred Brain of Jesus. We do not have Immaculate Brain of Mary. We have heart. So when Jesus said, "Do not let your hearts be troubled," it means everything that in you, everything that is you, kalma lang. Kalma. Kumalma. Huwag kang mag-alala. Huwag kang mabahala. Huwag kayong mabahala. And this is what the Lord is also telling us when we are confronted with challenges, with fear, with a gigantic problem in life. We tend to become apprehensive, worried, hindi makatulog. So sa hapong ito, sa Ebanghelyo, sinasabi sa atin ng Panginoon, kalma lang, kumalma ka lang. Do not let your heart be troubled. Why? Because the Lord is reminding us, have faith in me. Bahala ako. Sagot kita. Manalig ka sa akin. Hindi kita pababayaan. My dear sisters and brothers, the assurance is there, very clear. Maniwala ka sa Diyos, maniwala ka kay Jesus, hindi ka niya iiwan. Hindi sinabi ng Panginoon, mawawala ang mga problema mo. Hindi. Hindi niya sinabi sa mga alagad, wag na kayo mabahala, hindi matutuloy yung crucifixion. Tuloy ang crucifixion. Pero ang sabi ng Panginoon, in the midst of all this, hindi ako mawawala. Peace is not the absence of trouble. Peace is the presence of trust. Sa gitna ng mga problema ng buhay, dapat tayong magtiwala sa Diyos sapagkat hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Amen.